and another one, and another one. Done. RSVP, done. The program back in there, fantastic, done. Menu might fit here, done. Hello people, Glenn here, and this is just a quick tutorial on how to make thumbnail templates within Canva. So the previous video was using Photoshop, today we're using Canva. So let's just say you've got your online store, today we'll be using Etsy for an example, and you need to make lots of thumbnails for your products. Well, you need templates to speed up the production. So you need a process in place, and Canva can be that process. Canva can create thumbnails for you rather quickly. You just need to create a template, or you need to purchase a template. So today we'll be making a template and giving away that template for free. There will be a link below this video. And yeah, we're using these photos you see on screen. These are photos we have taken ourselves. However, you can purchase photos online and use those to create your own template. We'll be showing you how to do this. So let's make a start. To begin the process, we'll head on over to Canva, and in the top right hand corner where it says create a design, we'll click on this and we'll click on custom size. So this is where we'll insert the size of the website we're using. We're using Etsy today, so if you're on eBay, Etsy, whatever, just insert the thumbnail size that is required for that platform. So today we're going 2000 by 2000. We'll click on this. Fantastic. So now we have our canvas, our base. So the next step is to upload our backing designs. So I showed you just before, we've got some photos that we've taken ourselves. So we need to upload these to the uploads area. So click on uploads. And what we do, as you can see, I've already got them uploaded. All we do is we drag and drop our images into the upload section, and this will upload them. Otherwise, we can click the purple upload media button and find our desired images. And once we've got them in our upload area, all we simply do is drag and drop them onto our canvas. So I'm going to start with just this one just here. Now when you drag and drop, there's two ways to drag and drop. You can drag and drop into the center and adjust it manually, or you can drag and drop it and just hit the side of the canvas, and that'll automatically just pop it in for you and crop it. So that's a good way of doing it, just hitting the side of that canvas. So let's do that again. So drag and drop, instead of going in the center, I'm just gonna hit the side of the canvas, and there we go. Now, once we do have it inserted into our background, all we do is we can double click, and that'll allow us to adjust the image so it's perfectly center. Fantastic. So let's go now and let's pop all these images into our Canva template. Okay, so I'm going to click on the add page down the bottom just here. Click on this. This gives us another page to work with, and I'm going to drag in the next design. So let's try this one. Beautiful. Double click, adjust it. Lovely, nice and center. Again, let's do it again. Add page.
I might use this color just here. Beautiful. Double click, adjust it. Maybe make this one off center just a little bit. Beautiful, like so. Add page. Again, might use envelope for this one. Lovely. Adjust. Add page. Let's make one of these. Lovely. Add page. Why not one of these? Like so.
Wonderful. And I think we're almost done. We'll do one more. I don't think we need too many. I might make a blank template just here, so we can just put anything we want in it. Lovely, like so. Okay, done. We have all our designs in Canva ready to turn into templates. So let's do that. So to create a template, all you need to do is scroll over to the Elements tab just here, click, and scroll down to the Frames area. So what a frame will do, a frame in the grids area, they allow you to essentially create the template. And what I mean by that is, watch this. So see this square just here, the grid square? Click and drag it onto our canvas, like so. And I'm going to adjust it to be the size of this invite. Wonderful. Now what this does is that is the template. So what I mean by that is if we go to uploads and we upload an invite, so in today's example, I have these designs that we've been working with, just examples to drag into the template once it's finished to see how it works. So I've uploaded the invite. Let's see what happens. So if this template was finished, all I have to do is upload my new set of designs and just drag them into the template, and it's done. So these frames here, with the clouds and the hills, what they do under elements, grid and frames, they allow us to essentially create a template on top of our photo that can be populated. So let's do that again. Go to this one just here. I'm going to drag this grid again. I'm going to resize it like so. And this could be a menu. The menu template's done. Fantastic. This one's a little bit more tricky. We don't have a perfect shape for this one, but we have something which might work. Let's have a look. I think this one here might almost fit. Well, it's close enough anyway, so let's use this one just here. Beautiful. So this could be like a curved paddle program, for example. Lovely. Scroll down. There is really nothing for the envelopes, but if you do want to use an envelope template, you would just save a PNG and insert your envelope template over the top of this, which I'll show you in a second. What would this one? This could be like a program, so we'll just add 2 squares just here, like so. Done, done, done. And I'll copy and paste. Control C, Control V, and there we go. Fantastic, 2 templates just there. Could be a program, front and back. What have we got here? We'll create one just here as well. This could be like a belly band design, or it could be like a landscape RSVP, or yeah, it could be anything. Done. Scroll down, and we've got our blank template. So from here, we can put any kind of design. So it could be thank you tags. It could be, what we'll do, we'll create, let's make little squares. And we'll turn these ones into some kind of tag. We'll do 3 of them. Lovely. Rotate them like so. Beautiful. So I think we are ready to give this a whirl. I'm just going to save it. Save. It was already saved, as we can see up here. All say changes saved. Fantastic. So that is essentially how to make a template. So let's see if it works. So I'm going to go to uploads. I'm going to upload all my designs. Ready to go. Drag them into Canva. They are currently uploading. Fantastic. So this should all just pop into place and be an easy process for making thumbnails for an online website. So they're all uploaded now. Fantastic. Let's start with the bottom, because I just noticed we've got some thanks tags just here. Thanks tag. And another one. Done. We'll scroll up. This could be a RSVP. Done. This could be a program. I think I've got a program in here. Front and back. Program done. This would be an envelope. Let's have a look. What do we got? I'm just going to drag the envelope in there. Again, this part isn't as templatey as the rest, but it does work. Fantastic. Beautiful. That was saved as a PNG before I uploaded it to Canva. Just a note there. Paddle program. This could be, let's just put the program back in there. Fantastic. Done. This could be maybe a menu might fit here. Done. And the invite. Voila. Done and dusted. So that is, we've created we have uploaded some backing images to be used as a template. We have put the template grids over the top, so in elements, frames and grids, and that has made us a Canva template. Okay, so now that our designs are done, we just simply need to download them. So done, 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 done. In the top right hand corner, we have the download button. We'll click on this. PNG, so we'll change this to JPEG. In regards to size, it's set to 1. Well, as we can see, 1 represents 2000 by 2000. So whatever your canvas size is, let's just say you set your canvas size to 150, 1 will represent that 150. So ignore this because you'll be setting your size really when you create your document. So we'll leave that as 1 because that represents what we set initially. Quality, set to 80. You can set this to 100 if you want, and we'll just click download. Click on this, and there they are. Voila, easy peasy. Love it. Okay, so the next thing I want to go through is where to download these backgrounds if you need them. So we'll move on to that now. Okay, so if we head on over to Etsy, for example, and we type in invite mockup, we'll see there are lots of different kinds of mockups we can download from here. And they're relatively well priced, $4, $5, etc., $2. So if you do not have a camera and you can't make your own backing images, you can just purchase them online. There is also Creative Market as well, which we went through in the previous tutorial, the Photoshop tutorial. So just have a bit of a look. I'll also put our store up. We've got a little store, one of our littler stores we've created, which does this kind of thing, which is just some photos we've created, and we've made some backing templates for people to purchase. So if this kind of thing is for you, definitely check this out. I'll put a link below in the description. So you can purchase all these kinds of designs, but they're all over the internet. So just type in invite mockups into various platforms and you'll find lots of different examples to use. So yeah, I hope that all makes sense. If you have any questions, let me know, and I appreciate you watching this video. Hope you're having a great day. All the best.